Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study maths NDA step by step. Start by creating a simple weekly plan that dedicates time to theory, problem practice, and revision, focusing on weak areas first. Use short, timed sessions to build consistency and avoid burnout. Include one full mock test each week to measure improvement and refine which topics need extra practice. Stay flexible and celebrate small wins to keep momentum. Build deep understanding by breaking each topic into key concepts and formulas, then practice by solving varied problems. Teach ideas aloud or write step-by-step explanations to cement learning. Mix concept review with targeted exercises that gradually increase in difficulty, focusing on reasoning rather than rote steps. Regularly revisit foundational topics so advanced problems feel manageable. Keep explanations simple and practice smart by doing past papers and timed drills to build speed and exam rhythm. After each session, analyze errors, categorize them, and make a short plan to fix recurring issues. Alternate between focused accuracy practice and speed rounds so you improve both calculation skill and time management. Use targeted problem sets for weak areas and track progress weekly. Consistent, reflective practice beats long, unfocused study sessions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.